guys, welcome back to my channel. So sorry that I'm uploading so late in the week, but I'm back today with a mukbang! Yay! Okay, so I'm just gonna talk about my feelings about ending second year and finishing second year. Okay. Yeah, wala lang. This might be a very short video or a very long one depending on how much I say. But let's get on with it. This is good. Okay, let's talk. I guess I'll talk about my subjects, what I found most hard, how I got through everything, and what I'm feeling about next school year. Let's do it. Okay, so first, my subjects. Since we had 2 sems, we had over 10 subjects total. And I think the subject I enjoyed the most was art appreciation. Sir Padilla, one of the best teachers, best profs ever, and I don't think anyone would contest to that. If you've had him, if you studied art appreciation with him, the best. Like, I learned so much talaga there, and art, like the things that we did, it was just so fun, and his teaching style is the best. You can look him up. He has a YouTube channel also. I'll link it down below. I love you, Sir Padilla. If it was a major subject, I think I would have to pick parasitology. Wow! Parasitology. Because it was fun to learn, although it was hard to memorize, and like it was hard with practicals, and like I died every practicals because sometimes talaga I couldn't function, and I don't know, I couldn't remember some things, but it was fun. Like it's a subject that I really appreciated, I guess. My second subjects got hard, and sadly, I don't think I was able to appreciate it as much because of what happened, like with COVID and everything. So, ayun. So the second one is what I found most hard. Okay. What I found most hard was studying for the major subjects, like parasitology. Even though I said that was like one of the subjects I enjoyed the most, it was hard to study because there was a lot of things to memorize, which is expected naman. So it was like a normal difficulty, but syempre it's hard because like yung mga spelling, yung I don't know how to. It's like every time I studied it, I just wanted to become a worm because we kept studying about worms, and I don't know, like it was fun to learn. In addition, I'm just gonna hopefully the questions relate to each other. So if I switch, sorry na lang. I hope you understand. My thoughts are also very kalat. Okay, so it was fun to learn kasi there were little details na parang, for example, the Georgia Lamblia na trophozoite. It's one of its characteristics is that it looks like an old man's glasses, or it's like something wearing an old man's glasses. So little things like that na nakakatawa siyang like pag-aralan, and it's like, I don't know, it's just little, it's like something na parang little things in each subject that make you keep on studying it, and it's like interesting and stuff. It makes it hard because when you take the exams, it's comprehensive, meaning after each shifting, let's say you're in second shifting. So a lot of your questions will be from topics about the second shift, but then there will be 10 questions about topics in the first shift, and you don't know what topics it's gonna be talking about. I mean, like, they give you a table of specification, but then like you don't know about what exactly about that thing and first shift thing they're gonna ask. So ayun, that's what makes it hard. That's for all board subject na majors. It's like that, yung comprehensive na they take 10 questions from the previous shift and whatnot. So that made it hard. Something general to expect na difficulty, like no matter what sem it is, no matter what subject, is that it's kind of inevitable na you'll have a lot of things na magkasabay na sunod-sunod. So it's like you can have a quiz every other day for the same subject, even, and like it's like you only have that one day to study for it because you're also preoccupied for studying for other subjects na you also have a quiz on someday in the week. So come on, like some information lang for you. Moving on, number 3. Okay, how did I get through it all? So of course, first and foremost, I got through it all because of my friends, like my super constant support systems that I would not be here without them. So that's my barkada, my UST barkada, then my high school barkada, and also my 2 beautiful study buddies, Yara and Shobe. You guys have seen them. Literally, they're the people who have seen me cry, who have seen me break down, and who have helped me, tutored me, because it's like it's like a team thing na parang, although you can learn it by yourself, I would much rather learn it in a group because I feel like the more people help you understand, the more you will understand. So of course, I can't never ever ever forget. Of course, I made it through because of my blockmates, my amazing blockmates as well. It's like very comforting for me na what I'm going through, it's not only me going through it, and it's just nice to be able to connect with a lot of people who are going through the same thing and be able to talk about struggles. We supported each other, and I feel like can't forget also my family, of course, my family. Yes. I got through it because of them, because of their support, their prayers, study hard, study smart. It's okay to break down. It's okay to cry. It's okay to be weak. People get tired too. The last one, the 4th thing is how I feel about the incoming school year. Okay, honestly, I'm scared because third year is the hardest year for medtech because it has a majority of the major subjects that we're going to be taking. It has the board subjects, it has just a lot of weight. Like, it has our blood banking, our clinical chemistry subject, HEMA, and like all the things that we need to apply in 4th year when we go to internship. So I'm just really scared right now kasi it's like they've made like an unofficial announcement that our first sem will be online completely, and I don't know how to feel about that. Like, it hasn't crossed my mind until COVID came, like having to learn a whole sem online. I just feel like it won't be the same, like the quality of how you learn. So I really hope na it will be effective. I really hope that there's some way that they can find to make it more engaging and like just for the students to be able to have the same level of understanding as they would if we were in school, like physically. And I can't imagine it also because the subjects that we have are also lab subjects. So it's like it has lab application. And how are we supposed to do that at home? Like, how do you do blood banking at home? How do you do clin chem at home? So many questions like running through my head. And so many like thoughts na will it be possible? Will it be okay? And I don't know. I just have to hope for the best. I can already tell that it will not be a normal sem, obviously. And it will definitely be really hard. But let's hope everything turns out well and everything will be okay. And pray na everything will be back to normal sometime. I don't know when, but sometime. I just want to say a big congratulations also to everyone who finished their school year. I hope that you have a good break. Get some rest, get some sleep, maybe find a new hobby. I've been recently reading. Currently I'm reading Into the Magic Shop by Dr. James R. Doty. Very interesting. Highly recommend. I think that's it. I'll just finish my noodles and then we can end this video. Okay, I finished my noodles. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I have a new video. Never forget, there's nothing to it but to do it. See you guys in my next video. Bye!